Are you looking for the top 5 best tool sets for every need? I know the struggle of finding the right tools for those home projects without breaking the bank. I bought and tested these top 5 tool sets so you don't have to waste money on gimmicks. With over 7,000 purchases in the last month for some of these, it's clear people trust them. Let's dive into what makes each of these tool sets worth considering.
Product number 1, Amazon Basics Household Toolkit. Let me share my experience with the Amazon Basics Household Toolkit. When I first unboxed this 142-piece set, I was pleasantly surprised by how compact and organized everything was. The turquoise blow-molded storage case immediately caught my attention. It's not just visually appealing, but also sturdy. Each tool is nestled in its compartment, making it easy to locate what you need. I decided to take it for a spin on a weekend project, which involved assembling some new furniture and fixing a few squeaky hinges around the house. As I pulled out the hammer, I noticed the easy grip non-slip handle. This made all the difference when I was driving in nails, giving me confidence with each swing. The auto-lock tape measure was a game changer too. It extended smoothly and retracted quickly without any fuss. I also appreciated the precision screwdrivers. They easily got into those awkward spots that standard screwdrivers often struggle with. Now, let's break down the pros and cons. One of the standout features is the corrosion-resistant, heat-treated plating on the tools, which ensures they hold up over time. The kit is also quite comprehensive for basic household tasks, covering everything from minor repairs to DIY projects. However, I did notice that while the tools are sturdy, they might not be heavy-duty enough for more extensive renovation projects. Additionally, while the tool set is excellent for beginners or casual DIYers, seasoned professionals might find it lacking in specialized tools. So why should you buy this toolkit? If you're looking for a reliable set that covers
Product number 2, Cartman 39-piece tool set. Next up is the Cartman 39-piece tool set, which I recently explored for some quick fixes around my apartment. Right off the bat, I noticed how lightweight and portable this set is, thanks to its compact dimensions and carrying handle. I took it to a friend's housewarming party to help with assembling some furniture, and it was easy to toss into my bag and head out. Unpacking it, I found a well-organized plastic toolbox that kept everything in place. The vibrant orange color made it easy to spot, even among all the other tools scattered around. The set includes all the essentials: a hammer, pliers, screwdrivers, and a handy tape measure. I was able to tackle various tasks, from tightening screws to measuring space for a new bookshelf. The tools themselves are heat-treated and chrome-plated to resist corrosion, which I appreciate for durability. However, while the set is certainly comprehensive for light repairs and DIY projects, I felt that some of the tools could be more robust. For instance, the pliers worked well, but they might not stand up to heavy-duty tasks. Additionally, the toolbox, while organized, felt a bit flimsy and might not hold up to rough handling. So, why would you consider this tool set? At just $29.55, it's an affordable and practical choice for anyone starting their DIY journey or for those who need a set.
Product number 3, King Tool 325-piece Home Repair Toolkit. Moving on to the King Tool 325-piece Home Repair Toolkit. This is a serious contender if you're looking for a comprehensive solution for both home and auto repairs. I was blown away when I opened the drawer of this toolbox. The layout is incredibly organized, and it really feels like every tool you might ever need is right at your fingertips. The variety is impressive, with everything from wrenches to precision screwdrivers and even a hammer. During my testing, I appreciated the high-quality materials used throughout. The tools are made of carbon steel and finished with heat-treated chrome, which gives them a durable feel. I tried using the ratchet for some auto work, and I found it smooth and reliable, while the soft grip handles made tasks much more comfortable. The independent sliding drawer is a thoughtful touch, adding extra capacity that many standard toolboxes lack. Now, let's get into the pros and cons. On the pro side, the sheer number of tools means you're unlikely to find yourself running to the store mid-project. The comprehensive variety also means it caters to both DIYers and professionals alike. However, the downside is its size. It's not the most portable kit out there. Weighing in at a hefty price of $115.65, it's an investment, but well worth it if you plan to tackle extensive projects. So, why buy this toolkit? If you're a homeowner, handyman, or even a mechanic, this set is perfect. It's designed to meet your
Product number 4, King Tool 276-piece tool set.
Next, let's dive into the King Tool 276-piece toolset, and I must say this set is a game changer. It includes a 12-volt cordless power drill, which I found incredibly useful for various DIY tasks around the house, from drilling holes for shelves to assembling furniture. Right out of the box, the drill felt lightweight yet powerful, with a maximum speed of 1500 RPM. It's perfect for those of us who need something efficient but don't want to lug around a heavy drill. I decided to test the drill on a couple projects, and it performed flawlessly. The keyless chuck was a breeze to use, allowing me to switch bits quickly, and the 2-speed control added versatility for different tasks. The rest of the toolset is equally impressive, with a wide variety of screwdrivers, pliers, and even a saw. The toolbox design with its separate sliding drawer was another highlight for me. It kept everything organized and easy to access, and I appreciated the thoughtful layout that made it easy to find the right tool quickly. However, I did notice that while the tools are solid for general use, they may not stand up to rigorous daily wear and tear for professional use. At $128.51, it's a bit pricier, but if you're looking for a versatile toolkit that includes power tools, it's worth the investment. Why should you consider this set? If you're a DIY enthusiast or need reliable tools for both home repairs and small projects, this set is an easy.
Product number 5, Coopool 159-piece tool set. Finally, let's talk about the Coopool 159-piece toolset. This kit caught my eye not just because of its price point of $80.95, but also for its rugged design aimed at both household and automotive tasks. The moment I opened the durable plastic toolbox, I was impressed by how everything was neatly organized. The box itself felt sturdy and easy to carry, which made transporting it around the house a breeze. As I started using the tools, I quickly appreciated the variety provided. It covers all the essentials: high-leverage hammer, precision pliers, and a full range of screwdrivers. I tackled a few quick repairs, and everything performed as expected. The tools are crafted from professional-grade, drop-forged chrome vanadium steel, ensuring they're durable and resistant to rust. However, while the set is comprehensive, I did find that it might not be ideal for more specialized tasks. The tools are fantastic for day-to-day repairs, but may fall short for heavy-duty projects. So why should you buy this tool set? If you're looking for a reliable, all-in-one kit that doesn't break the bank, this is an excellent option. It's perfect for new homeowners or anyone who enjoys tackling DIY projects